Hello and welcome to another video on Python Essentials. So here's our task for today. We need to return the maximum value out of 3 user input values. So to begin with, we're going to ask the user to input 3 different values. And let's try to create an empty list to begin with, where we're going to store these 3 new values, which will be input by the user. Okay. So if we use the while loop, let's say while I less than 3, let's try to initialize with I is equal to 0. So we'd have the values of I0, 1, and 2. Okay. And while I less than 3, we can give a particular value called A, assign it to the user input. Let's do a float. Float input, and the string inside needs to be in a loop. So we'll use the format as well, format and the placeholder. All right, let's say enter value number. Here's our placeholder we call. All right, I think we're better off using I is equal to 1, right? And let's put this to 4. Okay, so we'll have enter value number 1 to begin with. Is that all right? Yeah, that should be it. Okay. We're asking for enter value number 1, 2, and 3 each time. To the new list, we will append the value of A. All right. That's for our while loop. Once we have the new list, we can simply ask to print maximum of the 3 values is followed by max of new list. Right? Okay. Let's run this. So we're basically asking for this new list, which is going to take the 3 user input values, and we'll be printing the max using the max function. So let's say our first value is 56, second value is 98, the third is 75. Okay. You can notice we're going back into an infinite loop. Actually, we're not entering value number 1. Beyond value number 1, we have not been able to go. It's because we did not provide the incrementer. Okay, that's how important in the while loop it is to make sure you have the incrementer over here. All right, let's clear the outputs. Start again. Right, here we go. We run this, enter value number 1, value number 2 now, and value number 3. There you go. It's converting each value to a float, and it's giving us the maximum of 3 values as the third number in this case.